Under extreme and chronic stress, we actually flip our personality type. This is known as being in the grip and can cause out-of-character reactions, which can lead to mental health issues and conflict. Nearly 40% of adults report high stress on a daily basis. It's no surprise that the World Health Organization now considers stress the health epidemic of the 21st century. Now, to put your mind at ease, a little bit of stress is actually good for us. It creates courage and resilience and actually amplifies your natural personality strengths. During this session, the focus will be getting back to balance. We will cover 3 areas. Number 1, communication styles. It's important to determine your baseline and the baseline of those that you interact with on a regular basis. When it comes to stress management and helping others, it's important to take a customized approach because everyone responds to stress quite differently. Number 2, change management. Each participant will identify with one of 4 change management styles, which will help them better navigate change personally and professionally. We're going to cover this from a team and leadership perspective. Number 3, stress management. We need to discover what our natural triggers are, and occasionally it's a good idea to share these with others and to understand these with your family, your friends, your coworkers, so that you can better help them when they're having a difficult time. We will also cover time management and emotional regulation. The ultimate goal of this session is to understand that through behavioral adaptation and learning new skills, we can absolutely temper our future stress reactions and get back to balance.